Hello guys and welcome. Now we are going to start from where we left before in the previous video, and this is going to be an introduction to the TradingView platform. We are not going to dive into many details. I will just show you basically the tools that you can use. Of course, you are not going to need at first, for the strategy that I'm going to teach you, I will provide you for everything that you need. You are not going to need everything from these tools, right? But it's still a good idea to know um, what they are about. So here you can basically this one to pick what to see, a dot, but you don't even need that, right? An arrow or what. Probably I will just give you the one that are more important. Here are the trend lines. If you want to draw something, these are basically the trend lines that are here. Uh, Arrows, array, but you you are going to need this later on, right? So you don't have to focus on this. These are some other tools that are more advanced that you are not going to need right now. Here you have a brush, a rectangle if you like to use it for something. The brush if you like to draw something. Here you can put text on your chart, right? If you want to write something on your chart, this is how you do it. Some other tools that you are not going to need right now. Measuring tools for the positions, right? For a short position and long position. This is how you can measure date range, price range, both. Meaning that if you want to measure from here to here, you can see the percentages and the days, as you can see. 51 days, 101 percentages. From this button here, you can delete everything that we used so far. Here are some other uh, some icons that you can put on the chart, right? This is for a measurement, these two here. So basically you are not going to need this stuff right now. With this button you can hide your drawings. Here are the drawing mode, and to lock a tool. For example, if you want to, let me show you, this is horizontal array, right? But if you want to draw more horizontal arrays, not every time to have to come here to pick it, you will simply click here on the drawing mode, and then you can just go like this and draw more without getting it from here every time. This is what the drawing mode is about. The magnet mode is, let me delete all this, the magnet mode is basically, it's let me show you how it works. It will, the when you point on a candle, it will automatically go to the close or the open, right? It depends where you are, above or below. So it's like a magnet, it's pulling the, so you will draw better your line, right? Exactly to the level. Here is the time frame, which is important, right? We are going to talk about that. Basically, a daily time frame, it means that every candle is representing one day. A 4 hour time frame, it means that every candle that you see is representing 4 hours. So this is very important because you will, when I show you the strategy, you will have to decide for yourself on what time frame you are going to trade. The higher the time frame, the more passive it is. A daily time frame, it means that for every candle it will take one day, right? So if you are entering on a trade, it will take you longer to play out. The shorter the time frame, the faster it will play out. Unfortunately, with the free version, you don't have, you cannot pick other time frames, I think. Let me try here. If we want to use the 6 hour time frame, no, you cannot. You cannot use custom interval. So basically, you will have to work with the one that are here. I don't think you are going to need this. So it's basically 1 hour, 2 hour, 3, 4, 1 day, 1 week, monthly. I don't think you are going to need. Probably not even the weekly. So maybe you are going to use something like daily or 4 hour for the strategy that I'm going to give you, or 2 hour, something like this. So this is what the time frame is. Here is the candles. Basically, you have a line chart. These are These are the Heiken Ashis, but we are going to stick with the regular candlesticks, right? Which are by default. Here to compare or add symbol, you don't need any of this right now. Here is the button where you are going to add the indicators that we are going to use. But I will show you this when we come to the strategy. To use it, then some indicator templates, but basically you don't need this stuff. Here is if you want to create an alert. For example, you want to create an alert to be notified when the Bitcoin is at $9,000. This is how you do it. You can move it already when once you set it, you will see it here, so you can move it if you like, and you just have to click save. You have options. Of course, you can change here the conditions, right? You can also pick only once or every time. You can have some actions here to notify you on the app if you have the TradingView app on your phone, to send you email, to have message as well. You're gonna click save, and this is how you are setting an alert. Here is basically how many chart layouts you cannot use with the free version, so you don't need this. The layout, so basically this is it right here, are the chart properties where you can play with it if you like to. You don't need in the beginning. And here to take some snapshots, full screen mode. Also you want, from here you can pick from these three lines here. If you click on it, you can pick the color, the dark theme, the dark color theme if you like to. So this is it basically. Now maybe you are overwhelmed, but the more you use this, the more you are going to get used to it, right? I can tell you that when I was starting, I was looking at some guys drawing some lines here, and I thought this is so complicated. And of course, when you are new to something, it looks very complicated, but the more you do it, the more you apply it and practice it, the simpler it gets. So it's not complicated at all. Don't be overwhelmed. And for the strategy that I'm going to teach you, you don't need almost any of this. I pick a strategy for you that will be that will be easy, right? And of course you can choose another strategy. You don't have to trade this strategy that I'm going to show you, but for a beginner you have to pick a strategy that is not that complicated for you to be able to execute it. So this is the short introduction to the TradingView platform. Of course, in other videos I can show you some more stuff if I forgot something to mention in this video. So this is basically what we are going to need now. Of course, here you can add more symbols. Let's say that you want to trade Ethereum. When you type ETH, here you see Ethereum USD, Ethereum Bitcoin, right? So if you click on it, you will have it here. So when you click, you will open the chart of Ethereum against Bitcoin, right? So this is it basically for this video. This is the introduction to the TradingView platform.